Okay, so I'm going to unbox Note 11 Pro. That's a processor of Helio G96 Ultra gaming processor. It has a RAM of 8 gig and a ROM of 128 gig. So we'll also check the back of the box. So it has a memory of 128 gig and 8 gig RAM, a 5000 mAh battery capacity, Android 11 operating system. It has a front camera of 16 megapixels, a rear camera of 64 megapixels with 30 megapixels and 2 megapixels with a quad flashlight. It has a processor of Helio G96, 4G, 3G and 2G network, and it has G sensor, A compass, L sensor, proximity sensor, fingerprint and gyroscope. So it has a processor of G96, 6.95 inches display, 64 megapixels telescope zoom, 5000 mAh battery with super fast charge of 33 watts, and that's a super monster game kit, facial unlock and side fingerprint. So let me unbox it now. So this is the front of the box. So I'm going to unbox it now. So let me unbox. So this is the Note 11. It's 11. So this is the case. This phone to the back. So the color of this is mint gray. So 128 80 gram. So let me open this. It comes with a skin guard, a glass skin guard. Comes with a glass screen guard and some serial key receipts numbers for SIM card removal. The case designed by Horaimo. Signed by Horaimo. Note 11 series Care Plus. X pack. And it also comes with a S Club Gold Coin Bank. So this is the charger. The 33 watt charger. The earpiece. The Type C cable. So this is the phone, but let me on the phone now. I can see it. So I can see it how it runs. So it's booting. So let me go to settings there. My phone starts Note 11 Pro, Android 11, 16 megapixels front camera, 8 gig RAM, 5000 mAh battery, then 128 gig ROM, 64 megapixels rear camera, and Helio G96 MediaTek processor. So this is the full video on unboxing, and make sure you like and subscribe to our videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and don't forget to click on the notification button to get more of our videos. Thank you.